Hello there and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this beautiful Audi Q7 3.0 TDI V6 S-Line Tiptronic Quattro. Now this vehicle has currently run 69,471 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Galaxy Blue, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now take a look around the front here. You do have your LED headlights which light up the road extremely well, giving you great visibility at night. You have very nice chrome detailing on the front grille there. Moving around here to the side, you do have your 20-inch alloy wheels. Moving around to the side, you do have your S-Line badge in there on the side, and you also have your indicator integrated into the door mirrors. You also have your roof bars up there, so you can add things on to very easily. Take a look inside here to the rear, and you do have 3 rows of seats, giving you a total of 7 seats in the vehicle. Here you have your 2 third-row seats. They both have ISOFIX points, and they're finished in a very nice partial leather with a nice suede cloth effect. Here at the side as well, you do have your buttons where you can quickly put the rear seats here up or down. And your middle row does fold very nice far forward, providing you access to those rear seats there. They do fold back into position very easily. You simply push back there. You can see your middle row here. All 3 seats there do have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle as well. And you also have rear air conditioning. Around here at the rear, you do have your power tailgate that can be opened using the key fob. It provides you access to the very spacious boot there. Here you can see, even with the third rows of seats up there, you do have a very nice amount of space if you plan on heading out with the family. You also have a very nice chrome finish there, along with tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely. You have your buttons there again for putting the third row of seats up and down, as it's electronically adjustable. You also have your button there for your pop-out tow bar, so you can pop it out very easily and store it away again when it's not needed. You can see it there electronically go into place. Super handy if you do tow with this vehicle. Now you can see you do have plenty of boot space when you have the third row of seats down. You also have this very nice rubber mat that keeps the carpet nice and protected, so you don't have to struggle to clean it. It can be hosed down very easily. You do have your button up top there that automatically closes the tailgate. It's super handy when your hands are full from unloading the vehicle. You don't have to struggle and lifting up to close the boot. Take a look inside here at the front. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel, and you have a gorgeous metal finish across the dashboard and onto the doors as well. Up top you do have a panoramic sunroof that lets plenty of light into the vehicle and makes it feel super spacious. And here with your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You do have electric adjustment with those. You also have an armrest in the centre console with some storage underneath. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Audi Q7 has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. With the heat, you can quickly defrost or demist the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. And with the folding, you can tuck the mirrors nice and tightly into the vehicle and keep them protected. Super handy when parking on narrow roads, for example, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users. Now you do have full electric windows there, and you also have your buttons for locking the 2 rear doors as well as windows if you have any children there for child lock safety. You do here on the dashboard have your automatic headlights, and you also have automatic wipers as well, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have your wiper stalk there behind the steering wheel. You do have some controls here for the infotainment system on the steering wheel, and here on the opposite side here on the left you do have your controls for your very nice digital cockpit here. It's an incredible nice coloured display. You can display a whole variety of different information on here, including your standard trip information along with access to your audio menu as well as your phone. You can also display your navigation as well. You can change the view super easily to have a nice larger display with smaller dials. There you can see your navigation displayed nice and large on there. Super handy if you don't want to take your eyes too far off the road to check the guidance. Now let's move around. Here behind the steering wheel you do have your indicator stalk, And below this, you will find your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. You also have a speed limiter with this, so you can set up a speed if you are conscious about speeding. The vehicle won't allow you to exceed this specific speed you set. Now up top here, you do have your infotainment screen. It is retractable as well, so you can hide it away if you wish to. It's all controlled using the spinning dials and buttons here in the centre console. And with it, you can access your radio. You do have DAB, FM and AM radio. And with your DAB, you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital. So if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. It's very straightforward to find your favourite station in there. And here you can also connect your own source of audio. You do have your USB and auxiliary inputs, and there is also Bluetooth as well with this. And of course, with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to, and you can be sure you don't miss any important phone calls while on the go. It's very easy to pair your device up there with the vehicle. You do have your navigation, which can be displayed on here, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. You do have the speed limit displayed there, so you can be sure you're going the right speed limit on whichever road you're on. You can change the view. It's a very nice 3D effect navigation. You do also have your Audi Connect here. With a subscription, you can use and find things like the weather, fuel prices in the area. And here you do have your Audi smartphone interface, which will bring your compatible devices interface into the vehicle and will allow you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can also use compatible apps as well, such as navigation and music streaming services. So you can access all of your favourite playlists off your phone using the vehicle's system. Here you do have your Audi Drive Select, where you can find your different driving modes, so you can enhance your driving experience with this. You can also access additional vehicle settings here, but with your Drive Select you do have the option to set up an individual mode, where you can set up your own preferences to the engine and gearbox along with the steering, so the vehicle will drive and perform specifically how you want it to. Here you also have some additional vehicle settings there. You can also access your drive assist features as well. You do have your heads-up display, which you can turn on or off here next to your headlight switch. You have a button there. You can turn the dial to put this display higher up or lower. You can see it here displayed above you on the road. Super handy, as you don't have to take your eyes too far off the road to check you're going the right speed limit. It's displayed there on the road for you. And it can also display your navigation guidance as well, so you can be sure you're taking the right directions you need to. You can also see here things like your efficiency assist, and there is also your Audi Presense, which can detect potential hazards ahead and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You can set up the advanced warning there as well with the sensitivity of it. And now as well, the vehicle does come equipped with front and rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you might not be able to see. And they are displayed there on the infotainment screen. Moving below here, you have your button for turning the parking sensors on. You also have your trailer assist, which can help you if you do have a trailer or anything attached to the tow bar. It will make parking extremely easier, and will give you more guidance on this. Now below here, you do have your 4-zone climate control, which will allow the driver and passengers front and rear to make their own preferred temperature choices. Prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold in the vehicle, allowing everyone to travel comfortably at their own preferred temperature on their side of the vehicle. You can set up the rear specifically here up front if you are the driver and want to set the temperature for rear passengers. You can sync it up to have the same temperature throughout the whole of the vehicle as well. You do have front heated seats with 3 different temperature options, so you can keep nice and warm and forget all about the cold in just a matter of minutes. You also have an eco mode there. You can turn the AC on or off. It's a very straightforward system to use, especially with the advanced controls for the rear passengers as well. And then you have your centre console, and now up top here you do have your controls for the panoramic sunroof. Simply push back on the switch once and the roof glides forward, providing you plenty of fresh air into the vehicle, allowing you to also feel the wind in your hair as you travel along. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi Q7 TDI V6 S-Line Tiptronic Quattro. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.